You are entering the Twilight Zone.
Greetings, my faithful viewership. In this video, I will be attempting to fix a broken toilet seat with hot glue. Step 1. Plug in the hot glue gun. It's plugged in. Step 2. While the hot glue gun heats up, pose with it. Remember, we do not condone gun violence. In many cases, we are against owning firearms because we are pacifists in this show. But you still gotta pose. Not a lethal firearm. It can burn you though. You don't want that to happen. You'll know that this is hot enough because the glue, when you push the trigger, will flow out. Survey says it's not. Oh, it's glue. It's glue. It's glue. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Caution will burn flesh. Just the kind of thing I want to put on my toilet. So the idea here is that we want to plug these holes with adhesive, hopefully so that when I close this hinge on the toilet seat, they will adhere and will work and will be functional. There is no guarantee that this will work. I might just be doing something stupid, but as somebody who is posting material on the internet, I am already engaged in doing something very stupid. So let's see, moment of truth. Let's see if it closes. And nope, that is a failure. Instead, I have hot glue on my screws. My tutorial of how to fix things is complete. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.
You are entering the Twilight Zone.